Court records show a man failed 3 drug tests while out on bond for allegedly causing a deadly crash while drunk and high.
His lawyer asked a judge to make his bond conditions more lenient. A hearing on that matter is set for tomorrow. Jeremy Spencer remains out on bond after Garland police say he caused the crash that killed 13-year-old Brooklyn Moran in September. Fox 4's David Sintendley dug through court records and spoke with Moran's parents. David.
Yeah, and those court records reveal that the Dallas County District Attorney's Office has made several attempts requesting that Spencer's bond be held insufficient because of those failed drug tests. That could put him right back in jail. However, the court has been doing things differently. They're suggesting and really saying he's going to have more drug testing. On top of that, an ankle monitor and a curfew.
But she had a plan, she had a goal, and she made lots of sacrifices over time.
13-year-old Brooklyn Moran dreamed of playing soccer at the highest level, but a suspected intoxicated driver killed her and her dreams.
I don't even remember getting hit. And then next thing I know, I wake up at the hospital like 4 or 5 days later and didn't even know I was in a wreck.
Moran's mother was driving the teen and her friend last September. According to an arrest affidavit, Jeremy Spencer admitted to Garland police he had fallen asleep at the wheel and crashed head-on into the vehicle carrying Moran. Investigators believe Spencer was drunk or high or both. He's indicted on charges of intoxication, manslaughter, and assault. Moran's mother was injured so badly she was strapped to a stretcher at her child's funeral.
They were so bad that every doctor that has seen me has told me that I should have died.
According to the arrest affidavit, Spencer did not have an eligible driver's license, but for unknown reasons, the court allowed an interlock device for a vehicle he drives as one of his bond conditions. An interlock device allows someone to drive if no alcohol is detected on their breath.
I don't believe he should be out on bond at all.
Conditions of Spencer's bond also require he not use drugs. He's required to wear a patch that detects drug use through sweat and submit to random urine testing. But court records reveal he's since failed 3 drug patch tests for methamphetamine and cocaine. Still, he remains out on bond.
Mercy on the guilty is cruelty to the innocent.
In fact, his attorney is asking a judge to remove orders for random testing and remove the drug patch, arguing Spencer has not failed a drug test since November. A hearing is set for Thursday. For now,
he really took away a really great person.
Moran's family is reflecting on their youngest of 4 kids.
I wasn't expecting that.
Who never had a chance to grow into who she wanted to be.
She never made anybody feel like a stranger.
She would definitely forgive him, but she would want him to at least have some kind of consequence for his actions.
In 2021, Spencer was convicted of DWI and resisting arrest in Collin County. That was before any of this happened. Now, today, I reached out to his attorney, that's Douglas Huff, reached out to him for comment on this most recent case, but he did not get back to me. Do want to point out on that previous DWI that Spencer served time in jail and probation for that crime. Heather, Steve, back to y'all.
All right, David, thank you.